I'm going to show you how to install carpet tiles without adhering to your floor. So here are some brand new rubber back carpet tiles, heavy duty, and we're going to lay them out in the space that we want the carpet tiles. Now on the back of the carpet tiles, you'll see directional arrows. Those are the manufacturer recommendation for how to lay your carpet tiles. You'll want to lay them all the same direction. Now there's other ways to lay them, but in this instance, I'm going to lay them all the same direction with the arrows pointing up. Okay, so you want to lay them side by side, making sure there's no seams and they are touching the other tiles tight. Finish your layout without adhering them to the floor. Just loose lay the carpet tiles. And again, make sure you check the arrows on the back. So if it has a distinct pattern, that it looks correct. And that you'll want to install them with the arrows pointing the same direction. All right, here we have all the tiles installed here in one of the sections. And now you want to peel up one of the corners of carpet tiles. Grab your carpet tile tape, which if you don't have it yet, go to carpettiletape.com. You can purchase there. These are 2" by 90 foot rolls, so it does about 200 square feet per roll. And it'll save you a lot of money, and it's better than the pressure sensitive adhesive. It's less messy and less expensive. So here you want to lift up, and you'll want the sticky side up so the tiles are adhering to the tape themselves. And this will keep the tiles together and you are all set. So that is how to install carpet tiles without adhering them to your floor. The tape is very sticky and will last a long time.